Well, hello, Bill, Chris, Tenny Britton. We're with you for this week's Church Dip. Want to talk today a little bit about having redundancy, about replicating ministries. And I'll tell you, a few years ago, I was starting to do a little bit of work with Amway, and I had this really great idea for marketing, for ways that I thought were really going to soar. And when I shared those with the people with whom I was working, I was told, you know, that's not replicable. You're not going to be able to do that because those that you're going to be supervising are going to have to replicate what you're doing. And we just don't know that that would be possible.
You know, replicable systems is the way of the church. You know, discipleship, Jesus walked with his disciples. They watched him for 3 years. Paul continually talked about the pattern. You've seen me live. And remember, in some cases, he was only with fledgling churches for a few weeks or a few months, and he taught them how to be disciples of Jesus Christ in almost no time. Leadership has to be that way. We need to be able to mentor quickly. What we do needs to be replicable, repeatable, and doable. That being the case, what you want to be doing in your congregation is every leader has an apprentice. If you don't have an apprentice, you can't lead. That's just how it is. And the reason you have to have this is because what happens if your key leader can't be there? Something terrible happens. You have an apprentice to step in. And you know that kind of thing happens all the time. So every leader has an apprentice. Every system has a backup. Make it replicable. Make sure people can see you doing it, follow you, and do it easily.
We're out of time again this week. Thanks for being with us.